In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot on a Mac using various keyboard shortcuts. Whether you're trying to capture an entire screen, a specific portion, or just a window, these shortcuts offer convenient ways to do it efficiently and quickly. Let's dive into each method and explore how they work, along with some extra tips to make the process smoother for you. To capture your whole screen, you'll need to press 3 keys simultaneously: Shift, Command, and the number 3. This is the simplest option, perfect for when you need a quick shot of everything visible on your display. Once captured, the image is instantly saved to your desktop, ready for you to share, edit, or organize in your files. Now, suppose you want only a certain part of your screen. This is where the next shortcut comes in handy. By pressing Shift, Command, Control, and the number 4, your pointer will turn into a crosshair. You can then click and drag to create a box around the area you wish to capture. The beauty of this combination is that it copies your selected image directly to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it into an email, document, or any other app without cluttering your desktop with extra files. It's a great go-to when you're regularly sharing snippets. And if you change your mind mid-selection, simply hit the Escape key to cancel it without any fuss. Moving on, if you want to capture a specific window or menu, you'll start by pressing Shift, Command, and 4. With these keys, your pointer transforms into a crosshair, but don't worry, there's another press to make. Tap the spacebar, and your pointer will become a camera icon. Hover this camera over the window or menu you want to capture. It will highlight as you move over it, giving you a clear indicator of what will be captured. Once you've found your target, just click to snap the shot, and once again, it goes straight to your desktop. Finally, if you want a bit more versatility, press Shift, Command, and 5 to launch the Screenshot app. This handy tool not only offers all the options for still captures, but also provides capabilities for screen recordings. It's like a control center for all your screenshotting needs. With additional features and settings, you might find useful as you get more comfortable with these tasks. Remember, these shortcuts are designed to make your workflow more efficient, whether you're sharing ideas, troubleshooting, or preserving memories. With practice, capturing exactly what you need will become second nature. Hope you find these tips helpful, and thank you for watching.